Hello and welcome to this week's workout. So this week we have a 40-minute workout. It's going to be full body. Sorry about my voice. I've been sick for a full week. I haven't worked out in a week. Yesterday I did my first little weightlifting workout and I felt good after that, so I figured I could record a video today. But don't be surprised if I'm not 100%, because I'm not going to push it. Okay, let's get started with our warm-up. Starting with high jump. After this, we're going to go to a jog. Mostly it's just like congestion left over now. Alright, jog it out. After this, we're going to do jumping jacks. Almost there. Right, jumping jacks. And for the last part of our warm-up, we're going to do high knees. Keep it up. Ten more seconds. Alright, nice job. Did you notice I finally got around to changing the warm-up end buzzer? So for this workout, you're going to need weights, but that's it. So make sure you have weights and some water and a towel to dry off with, and then come back and we'll start this workout. Okay, so the first part of this workout is going to be leg focused. So we're starting out with traffic directors. Get your weights. 5-second countdown is started. I'm using 10 pounds, by the way, in case you're curious. Lunge forward enough that your knees are staying behind your toes. 20 seconds. Nice job. Okay. Back lunge curl. Staying on the right. Squeeze it up. 15 seconds. Almost there. Nice job. Okay, side squat, shoulder press. So this is actually full body. The next section is leg focused. Side squat press, side squat press. And we're doing 5 exercises, repeated twice through the whole workout. Less than 20. Nice job. Okay. Back lunge curl, other leg. Once again, remember to lunge back far enough that you're making a 90-degree angle with both legs. Try to keep your knee in line with your ankle, your heel. 15 seconds. Oh, good job. Okay. Plie squat and upright row. Last exercise before we go through it one more time. Fifteen seconds. Keep it up. Nice job. Okay. Traffic directors. Try not to bang your knee into the ground. I have a bunch of foam under this carpet, so sometimes I do that. Shoulders. Halfway. 15 seconds. Back lunge curl. Staying on the right or left, whichever leg you pick. Whoa. Arms are tired. I don't know if it's because I've been sick or because this is actually really hard. 20 seconds. Nice job. Okay, side squat and shoulder press. I'm gonna be so sore tomorrow. I can already tell. Halfway. Keep it up. Ten seconds. Back lunge curl, other leg. Keep your chest up. Focus on those biceps. Make them big. Then you can have a gun show. Less than 10. All right. Last thing, plie squat with upright row. If you want to make this harder, you gotta jump. I do not want to make it harder right now. Or you could use heavier weights that I'm using. Normally I would be using probably 12 pounds for this. 15 seconds. Almost there. Nice job. All right. So that was the first part. We have 3 more parts. Next part, focusing on arms, it looks like. Then legs, then a full body cardio finisher. All right, so get a drink, towel off, come right back for the next section. Okay, so the next part of this workout is going to be arm focused. And we're starting out with diamond push-up and pike press, alternating between the two. So this is going to be killer for your arms. Arm death. Diamond push-up. Jump your legs in. Pike press. Jump it back out. Halfway. Last one. Oh. Okay. Next, push up and row. So get your weights. Regular push up and 2 rows. seconds. Core tight. Almost there. Okay, good job. Dive bomber pike press. So we're going to be doing pike press a lot this round. And pike press. Back to dive bomber. And pike press. 20 seconds. Nice job. Okay, triceps push-up and row now. Put your weights. Narrow stance, elbows going straight back. Row, row. I've never done a completely arm-focused section in any of my workouts ever. Oh, 15 seconds. But this is nice. Great job. Right, where are we? Reptile push-up. 2 pike press. So 2 reptiles, 2 pike presses. Jump it in. Less than 15. You're doing awesome. All right, back to the beginning. One more time, which is diamond push-up pike press. Whew. Less than 20. Okay, great job. Push-up row. Whew. Dang, this is exhausting. You would think working your little old arms would make you so tired. 20 seconds. are working our core a lot too. Hold this in that plank. Almost there. Nice job. Okay. Dive bomber pike press. Whew. Halfway. Stay strong. You can do it. All right. Excellent job. Tricep push-up and row. Make sure you're not twisting your hips during the row. Try to keep your body stationary. Seconds. Keep going. Almost there. Great job. Okay. Riptide push-up and pike press. 2 of each. Seconds. Almost there. Yay! This is going pretty fast. Already halfway done. 2 more sections left. So, towel off, get some water, and we'll move on to part 3. Okay, so this time we are focusing on legs. And we're starting out with narrow squat and side kick. So, get your weights. You're just holding your weights, not doing anything with your arms. Hopefully your arms are as dead as mine. Squeeze that leg up. You should feel it in your glutes. You're not swinging. Don't use momentum, use strength. Make sure your butt's going back. Keep your chest lifted. 10 seconds. Nice job. Okay, curtsy lunge right. Kick it up and squeezing that glute again. curtsy kicks. More than halfway. 15 seconds. Almost there. One more. Okay. Clean and press. So I guess there's one arm type thing. Did you guys ever look at CrossFit? I love watching them do these with those giant barbells. My cousin does CrossFit and she can do that stuff now. Almost there. Okay. Curtsy other leg. Curtsy kick. Seconds. Almost there. Whew. Great job. Okay. Forward squat walk. Use one weight. Well, obviously we're going to come back to seconds. Less than 10. Oh, hurts. Okay, back to what? Narrow squat side kick. Halfway. Less than 15. Make sure your back's flat. Nice job. All right. Curtsy lunge. Pick a leg and stick with it. How are you doing? halfway. Balance. One more, maybe two. Nice job. Okay, clean and press. "15 seconds. You're doing awesome. Great job. Curtsy lunge, other leg. "15 seconds. Keep it up. Whew. Almost there. Great job. All right. Whew. Last thing, forward squat walk. Forward and backward. Dropping the weights. You don't have to, of course. Seconds. 10. Whew. Nice job. All right, that's 3 rounds done. 1 to go. So, grab a drink. Come right back and finish off this workout. Okay, for this last section, you don't need any equipment. It's going to be a full body cardio burnout. So what we're doing is diamond burpee, regular burpee, dive bomber burpee, tricep burpee, and reptile burpee. And then we're done after 2 of those, 2 sets. All right, let's get started. What are we doing first? Diamond burpee. Jump, diamond jump. Whew. 20 seconds. 10. Okay, great job. All right, regular burpee. 16 seconds. Great job. Dead power burpee. Keep your wide legs. Plie jump. Imagine you're going under a fence with these. Under and back. 10 seconds. Great job. Tricep burpee. So, elbows going back. Arms directly under your shoulders. More than halfway. Seconds. Okay, reptile burpee. So reptile, both sides, then jump up. Go at your own pace. I'm going a lot slower than normal. Don't feel like you have to. 15. Great job. Okay, last 5 minutes. Starting with diamond burpee. Whew. Seconds. Less than 10. Try to get one more in. Awesome. Okay, regular burpee. Come on, you're almost there. Almost done with this workout. Just a few more minutes. Finish strong. burpee. Fifteen seconds. Come on. We're in the home stretch. Tricep burpees. Halfway. Ten seconds. Great job. Last exercise. Reptile burpees. Come on, push. So close. Finish strong. Less than 15 seconds. Come on. Keep going. Great job. That was pretty good, I think. Even though I was going about half the speed I normally do. All right, so towel off, get a drink, come back for the stretch. You made it! Yay! And I made it, more importantly. Okay, we'll see you right back for the stretch. All right, let me know what you thought of that workout in the comments below. Did you like the arm section? It's the first time I've done something like that. Let me know if you want to see more. And let's get started with a hip flexor stretch. So lunge back, tilt your hips forward. Should feel it in here. Next, we're going to go to a hamstring stretch. So you're going to swing this back leg forward and just hang over. After this, we're going to a quad stretch. Same leg. That was a good workout to come back to, I think. And I think I did pretty well for having been so sick for a whole week. I sound a lot worse than I actually feel. All right, figure four. Stretching out your glutes. we're going to switch to the other leg with a hip flexor stretch. So lunge your other leg back, tilt your hips forward. And then hang over, hamstring stretch. All right, quad stretch. And then figure 4 on the right, and then you're done. All right, great job. Thanks for working out with me. Be sure to hit the like button and hit the little bell. After you've subscribed, of course, subscribe and then hit the little bell so you get all the notifications from when I post a new workout. I post a workout every Sunday, so be looking for that. And then comment below. Let me know what types of workouts and exercises you want to see. I love your requests, and I'll see you next week.